In this video, I'm going to show you how we can use Excel to find the area under a normal curve that falls below or above a certain z-score. So I'm assuming you've already calculated your z-score, which we talked about in class. There are ways that Excel can do this all at once, but we just won't cover that at this point. So if I want to know what percent of the distribution or what proportion of the scores falls below a z-score, I'm going to use the command equals norm dot s for standard, that tells it already is a z-score, dist. And then inside the parentheses, I'll give the value of my z-score. So I'll just put z for right now, but that'll be a number. If it's negative, make sure you include the negative sign, comma, true. And then I'll close my parentheses. That will give me the area below or to the left of my z-score. If I want the area above, that's going to be the complement, and I would use the command equals 1 minus norm.s.dist. And then again, my z-score, and I write out true. That'll give me the area above. Remember those complement because all of the area under the curve has to add up to 100% or 1.0. So here I have 4 different z-scores that I want to find the area. So if I want to find the area above, that'll be the 1 minus norm s dist command. So if I want to find that area over here, I'm just going to click into Excel and I'll type equals 1 minus, because I want the area above, norm.s.dist, and then my z-score value is 1.4, comma, true. So again, I just put in the value of z-score, and I use the 1 minus norm s.dist because it asked for the area above or to the right. So when I press return, that'll give me the area of 0.08, so about 8%. Now, next I'm going to find the area below or to the left of 2.2. So I'm just going to use the norm s.dist command there. So equals norm.s.dist. I don't use the 1 minus because I want the area to the left. And then I'll put in the z-score of 2.2 for the second part of this problem, comma, true. And that'll give me 98.6%. That falls below that score. So a z-score of 2.2 is a pretty high score. Now these next two just are having us see we need to have the negative sign if it's a negative z-score. So above negative 1.2, I'll use the 1 minus command. So equals 1 minus norm.s.dist. My z-score is negative 1.2. Make sure you include the negative sign. And I say true. And so that's going to tell me that 88.5% falls above a z-score of negative 1.2. And then finally, for below negative 1.8, I'll use the normal, the regular norm.s.dist, no 1 minus. So for this last one, equals norm.s.dist. Include the negative sign, 1.8, negative 1.8, true. And that tells me about 3.6% falls below a z-score of negative 1.8. And that's how we use the norm.s.dist command or the 1 minus norm.s.dist command to find our areas associated with z-scores in a normal distribution.